tuners have turned the BMW XM into their playground, with Renegade Design, Mansory, Larte Design, and Venuum all offering carbon fiber kits for the SUV. Now, German tuner Manhart is stepping up with their latest creation, the Thor tuning package. Named after the mythical son of Odin, Manhart's visual upgrades promise to steal the spotlight. Renderings reveal a carbon hood with GTR vents for improved engine cooling, accompanied by a sleek splitter, grille frame, and bumper intakes. The profile features aerodynamic side skirts over 2 meters long, alongside new mirror cap covers. Owners can opt for Manhart wheels like the Forged Line or Concave One designs, available in various finishes. At the rear, a large roof spoiler and tailgate lip spoiler enhance the sporty look. Additional details include trim pieces for the elongated taillights, garnish for the vents, and a rear diffuser with aerodynamic extensions. Manhart plans to introduce extra add-ons for the rear bumper and carbon trim for the quad exhaust pipes soon. The BMW XM body kit comes in regular carbon, twill weave, or forged carbon finishes. Installation is straightforward, using original BMW mounting points and special adhesive and fasteners, ensuring reversibility. A gold decal set will also be offered. While Manhart hasn't announced performance upgrades, the BMW XM's plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers ample power, combining a twin-turbo V8 and electric motor for up to 738 horsepower. A less potent version, the XM50, offers 469 horsepower in Europe. Pre-orders for the Thor Carbon package are now open, with early customers enjoying a 12% discount, although pricing details are yet to be disclosed.